Hi everyone, my name is Sam, and today I will be trying to introduce a multifunctional robot arm. And since FLL season is coming, I want to introduce this for better efficiency. For this one, we want it to rely on connecting to a middle motor. And we want it to spin with this gear. As you can see inside, there's 3 gears. There's also one in the middle. So as the first one spins, then you can see that the rest of the 3 will actually spin with it. And now you can see it in motion. First, we didn't actually use it, but this is just using the robot base. This is the FLL hydrodynamics mission. Next, we did actually use an attachment, and we connected the first 2 missions together.
那这个你可以看到它是用前面的转轴来完成任务。
This is another version of it. And this, you can see that we actually use the front attachment to complete the mission. As you can see, we push it, and then we use the arm to move forward and spin the thing back up and complete the first mission. Now you can see you can use the arm for your own purposes. Right now we just wanted to pour it down, and as you can see, it just placed it in the little block. And the first time didn't work, but we can just retry again. And as you can see, it worked again this time. Now I'll be introducing the installation and the instructions. You can pause the video as needed, and this is just the basic steps you need to construct this arm. This also includes the installation of the robot that will be needed to actually use this arm, because it takes a very specific medium motor composition to allow you to attach this attachment. As you can see, it uses 3 pins to actually rotate the first little spinning wheel at the front of our attachment, and it also uses another frame that allows us to connect the attachment for a more stable use, and this is just the rest of the robot. Okay, thank you for watching, and make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel.
So many days have gone by since I last felt loved. So many days have gone by since I last felt at peace. So many days, ooh, yeah. Why have I been so gloomy? Why had I shut myself out?
谢谢观赏，然后请订阅，然后按个赞。